Prediction 2, practical paper 2. This is a question about pendulum. You are provided with a pendulum, string, stand, and stopwatch. Set up a simple pendulum using the apparatus provided. Displace the bob slightly and allow it to oscillate. Count 10 complete oscillations and record the total time taken. That is 20.0 seconds. Calculate the time taken for one complete oscillation. Time is equal to total time over a number of oscillations. Time taken to make 10 oscillations is 20.0 seconds over 10 oscillations, which give us 2.0 seconds. What physical quantity is being measured? What physical quantity is being measured? Time period of a pendulum. The answer is time period of a pendulum. Number B. State two factors that affect the time period of a pendulum. State two factors that affect the time period of a pendulum. We have length of the string. Number 2, acceleration due to gravity. Gravity can affect the period of a pendulum. Then the length of the string. Number C, list two forms of energy transformation taking place during pendulum motion. At the beginning, it was potentially resting or rested. So we say potential energy to kinetic energy. Then you can also say another form of energy, it's mechanical energy to heat energy due to air resistance or friction. Mechanical energy to heat energy due to air resistance or what? Or friction between the air. So we have two forms of energy here. Potential to kinetic energy, mechanical energy to heat energy. Down. Move down. Again. Identify any two safety measures to be observed during this practical. Ensure the stand is stable to prevent it from falling. Do not swing the bob. Do not swing the bob too wide to avoid injury or breakage. Number E. State one application of a pendulum in daily life. State one application of a pendulum in daily life. Used in pendulum clocks to keep time. Used in pendulum clocks to keep time. All the best as you prepare to soar in this area or learning area. Stay tuned for the prediction 3.